Weaving the eyelets on the Tunisian corset belt, an even number. If you have an even number of eyelets, so perhaps 8 on each side, you'll work one long belt, or you can use a ribbon or cord if you prefer, and you'll put it into the first eyelet and out of the second one. Into the first eyelet and out of the second one. And so you'll have a straight piece at the top. Then you'll cross over and come into the third and out of the fourth eyelet, into the third and out of the fourth eyelet, and you'll keep repeating that all the way down. Into the next and out of the following eyelet, into the next and out of the following eyelet. And when you get to the end, you'll tie them at the front. And that works well with an even number of eyelets, and also shows that you can fasten the belt without making crochet cords if you prefer.